Yama Munya Machi, Mama Kwaba, Efa, Emra, Badwam so or Adom TV. Brave ready sound of pay. As a Muda Yasua, Ede Ebesum, Ebedam said Badwam Cassie. As Mede Ebania, Eddie Marco and Sem. Small scale miners say was Antimantim Ababon to the Abetu Jasan Crophobi the Magis Cadi from Chitaban Penifonshe, a 2 or more SO as Sam. Sanso and Penifo that a year Institute of Engineering Technology, so Ababon to the Abetu Jasan. Water gas ya ban penefo edeba semehwe enkuntia galamsey no enya ade ehia ne prempre ya eni wedim samudo be na no pai ere esomo ese badwam kase medin de akwasi esia isa say efa every waja akura MA basic school amanbo efiro number echiremu ese no kopiem ewo waja akura MA basic school ade sofo be omoti esuade no enya kura na den omotim ne se ne dan no achia afane sana kantu na brona abudu ogumso na aka bi amasku ni pen for that sade eto aban pen fo anim ankrakra bi won so be school no emwanya sa de bi ahwe o man beti asebone
se uyo bi awanigi ehumesu ho eya yoro ho ena eya hometew ankasa wo dani wani hwe ahwe ba bi ankwalate hwe ba bi a ai a teacher fo so tra enyina kakana na mom ne yesre ne se aban no omabuaye eno na ebe ma teacher fo ni anyaji se bi obi be fi akra na edi na ba ha tumi ntra ha enkola no so munne ne je biara nti ebe so se aban no omoaye
head teacher Kawunda Kenneth enso aditudwa ahokyira wo mo fam teacher fo ni na aka ho bi
kasa wabedro a wa hunu se det no enye ade a eyefe unkasa afia school den ukwechi ho saa ye storeroom kura afa books no dan kura books no afọ so amankoda no asese no yetu enyumo yetu awewo yantumi wo de bet market kura bi na gina ho no so ye best say mpanifo omoboaye school den
awofo bi mso a womo ne Adom News nsentwofo atwetwe nkomo no ehwe enim se womo manum ebenya moa enya baby pa atene suade
yesha school ya kitana che ya bre school no so ye cru school den na from abefa ye hia se abembe buaye na yentumi ma school no enko enim maye ebia MPB wa ha assemblyman bi wa ha ebe free crew mu ha eni DC be free crew mu ha na yesu abeye dachi akola nti misre abense wo mabuaye.
Beyond the pipe forum and penifo so ababon ti dia baba tudwa ese sene afo mani abre na mokasa kwan betimi afa so anya ensu a eho etene ye kroje no ewuma hiase yine beka wabom se buamu ade baako na yetimi akon ade yete wona ese yensu ene kwan betimi afa so a yesu ayenom so no eho betimi akoso atena akoso anya dodom ade amamanfo abre ne abre bia.
Safe water network innovation we are na dey we ne boaye nti se ni hade kire mo nso dey na mo boa mo a ebetimi ama nsuo adwuma no akosoro ene ye nyina nse ye nyusu technology na ye mfama nsuo adwuma no enkosoro se baby e wono se tank bi apai anase leaky anase tank bi nsuo ni mo a first also be 2 cycle and 2 motorcycle na or fa car ekọ baby a tank no wono no akohwe ebi kura no be 1 day 2 days kura no be mechanical and say tank in leaky. They say you use technology, remote monitoring. So that be say there's a leak somewhere, you better detect it. And only ideas say you just so you pass here.
And Chino Deputy Minister Dema Works, Housing and Water Resources, Gisela Teta Butui, and so to just say, Abanga Crado so Beboa, Amunju Media would you know it to me, Ejina Brane.
Ghana water no, Oshe urban water. And a community water and so water, rural water, safe water enterprises no, or different small groups and work together. We na wash in see Obiare Yenese, but in this time around, we na watch him and see them minister or there. I obey quarterly meetings be we to I discuss one developmental plans. We to make sure that we na they on course.
Now my Ghana a win party who a form Ghana met you, says the Omania Basmo. Ewiase afa na mpanefo nyina bo maba so ye pa se na ye ka se de se Ghana meto focus ne ensu beto ne wamfa kirenye MP a ubedi amia esasa ne oka no ebamti abazmo de sefata eno de amomo.
All our services with respect to aeronautical meteorology we provide for aviation and air navigation, public weather forecasts, the warnings that we issue, the seasonal forecasts that we give, the processes that we go through, and the forecast that we generate meet international standard as happens in any part of the world. And that's what it means, and that's what is so significant to us, to bring trust and confidence in the forecast that GMET give to the public.
And which no lead auditor will share say Bibiara and an aquamwa and here say what is Sabasabodi or Mawana on a din any din Moriarty, actually said na a coincidi bibido ho nansono, or to me concording and de one more and Yasabasabodi sounds so, and a deputy director Edema forecasting and so didn't some see a truja.
So the process they have to go through is a very, very robust process, and for the initial audit this time we did find some issues. However, the team has worked really diligently to close the gaps that we did find, and they have closed them successfully. Hence, the certification being awarded now. Because
forecast BIA mano, aviation, marine, public weather service, necessary forecast no, a day quemo. As I say, I'm a faber share if you did idea forecast no, and a nipano forecast, and so I no international standard. It is a ISO certificate, the necessary BIA no international.
Small scale miners ekuo ne krabata ye wo omai asanteman tempe ne fa babonte de betudwa ese enkrofo bi nam ye obon samara ne se omo eye anti galamsey taskforce eno mudo mo nkrofo echa ne yeje omo sam sika ne se to de sanse de etu abampa ne fo ne sisa nkrofo no wo hwe etum se nyesa dako omo no mo bete agina ama ne ebesi
sa nkofukuo ya bo awura mu amanse west mensin mu abasesa wo mo niema
aban no bae no de nhihye bebre atukwan mu se de be ya you be the good manners of mining. I friend responsible mining. Then so kati boni bi abe from omo from so-called tax force. Omo enhye obiase. Omo ane de emra na ahye omo nsema omo harase nkrofo ena omo de aban no omo de eyesa anoma no.
Kura wo ho no mo a asimienu na nsan ya amani pa bi kura mututuo ma ne ka no. Wo abe won se kai obehwe na achese kana ase police car na idi animu na oma high prado mienu na bo na soldier 40 ti akire omko site am ko tutu machine woni ma wi ase my 25000 bu owia obu say ma 2 billion mutu akwa ba kwene mo so money 2 billion na 2 billion de mehu bi da nti akwa ko bo say masa yen so afa ni ya ban ya bre nti ye say ya ban nti e bedidi nti enokra empanimfo no bi efre emu frɛ Sajabari busa no wase mensoma obi a nti gempe wo ne anchi wo nti sa na mo tuo ne ekoso no de yesra ban no ne Mr. Jabari ontu ne nansi fom
Ewobra Adom Kase ene Ashanti Regional Security Coordinator Captain Retired John Jabari ebon common watcher say
giving small scale miners our hotlines or operational numbers so that they could quickly alert us. If it is us, we'll let them know. If it is not us, we'll tell them who, or we'll let those people get arrested. So it's not a problem. We are trying to handle it over there.
Eti we sire begina anopai samodo eboa no ebesomwo ese Badwam Kase na ha ene nyina ebesie ye kase fria na yakọ esie ba eye eswado abada bokata awodo emu eno achi online store so aba so ebetoa muso debom anopai so ye say ye another draw me patwa che 3000 na so another 3000 Ghana cedis na do pay e wo Badwam esom. First one 1000 Ghana cedis erekese du ade bebro. Second one another 1000 Ghana cedis akwasi sia ade bebro. Last one 1000 Ghana cedis on my hene kwabra sante ade bebro. Eti twagum dial *281 hash. *281 hash. Select option 4. Ni obetwa bia 5 Ghana cedis. Twagum sa. Eno obetwa miensa pe eno de every 1000 cedis. Obitwa enum obitwa ba ko no de koy ba wo de twagum wunim ne bebo twagum cause that afide no ehuro numbers ne saa ehuro se ne galamsey fo ehuro gold ho no ehuro saa se ehuro na pikin ba ko enyo bi de hye kire eno o piki ena we so wi ni ya afide nya piko number sake ma within 1 to 2 minutes na o sika egu wallet so se ba kat we eye kontompo bia ni ba bia enya afe na me patch of fawo Ghana card bi brasa na de esi obi so na ye dis kana ko post office if they pick ya within 1 to 2 minutes na sa kan sika nya dem sekro telepatwa *281# option 4 Adom TV ne twagum saa fako fa disika ne nyamfa so badwam na o hwere so ye da wa ba o man ko bra sante e ka mo ne atoa ese ne so